Hey guys, welcome to another smartphone review by Pandaily. We are organizing a very exciting giveaway for you guys at the end of this video. So stay tuned and let's begin. This is Nosh from Pandaily and this is OPPO Find X. OPPO Find X is a perfect example of OPPO bringing innovation to smartphones. This flagship phone comes with stunning new design and it packs amazing features. My very first impression is just wow. Find X comes with two color variants of Glacier Blue and Bordeaux Red, the official names, but I will call it purple. The screen to body ratio is 93.8%, a real full display. And look at this Gorilla Glass 5. On both front and back and the rounded edges, it looks stunning, but feels even better. Here is a slim bezel and you can see there is no notch at all. Specs of this smartphone are quite excellent. Now let's talk about the design. On the top it has secondary noise cancellation microphone and the power button is on the right side and SIM tray, Type-C connector and speakers at the bottom and volume controllers on the left side. Okay guys, this is the best part. Hidden camera, both front and the back. You must be wondering where is the camera and this is Find X. So we will need to find out where is the hidden stuff. Let's just open the camera and see the magic. Wow, a whole mechanism is sliding out. Here you can see a flashlight with two camera lenses on the right and the left. It comes out so smoothly. Let's just do it again. Coming out, going down, perfect. While it has dual camera at the back, one is 16 megapixel plus 20 megapixel and on the front facing camera it's 25 megapixel with f2.0 lens. This camera mechanism is an innovation brought to you by OPPO and I have done a couple of things playing with this mechanism, and for example if I hold on the top and try to open the camera, it will just try to open. Look, and once it's open, if you just push it a little, it will just close down. Taking picture with OPPO Find X is simply amazing. I will show you guys. I just take a selfie here and if I just zoom in, you guys can even count my gray hair. Here are some images I have taken indoor and in the dark places. The camera result is just mind-blowing. I bet OPPO has made some extra efforts on the photography experience. If we talk about the phone unlock, OPPO Find X comes with the face unlock and there is no fingerprint unlock. So if we try it, just swipe up and the mechanism will come out. If we try to unlock, you can see it's so smooth. I will give you a quick look into the settings. Here you will find some common settings and features. Let's go to the navigation key, and if you want the navigation key below, you will select the virtual key navigation and you will see these three virtual key navigation will appear here, but I like to use this without these virtual keys, so I will get a full screen view. You can see the gestures, like this gesture is for the back. And if you want to go to the home screen, you can just, from the center, you will go to the home screen. I played some games with high graphics and it gives a smooth gaming experience and I enjoyed playing games like never before. While playing games, I can also access some features with just a swipe and it will show you some pop-up on the screen and you can use within the screen and you can also go out of the game very easily. After hours and hours of use, battery got drained and then OPPO VOOC fast charger will give you some relief. Long battery life with fast charging is an amazing combination. Overall, I love this innovatively designed smartphone, but there are a few things that I'm not feeling comfortable with. There is no fingerprint unlock option, it's very slippery phone and I am always scared of dropping it. And I personally feel like there should be a 3.5mm jack in this phone, but it's missing. I hope you guys will enjoy this most innovative and futuristic flagship phone by OPPO. What is your opinion about this smartphone? Leave your feedback in the comments below. All right, and now on to the promised exciting giveaway for Find X. And this time we are organizing an international giveaway for OPPO Find X. For convenience sake, we are using the Gleam widget for this giveaway, and I would ask you to go to the description and follow the link. Moreover, I would ask you to read the rules very carefully. So if you would like to get your hands on to OPPO Find X brand new smartphone, this is your chance to get it your home and show off to your friends. That's all guys, that was OPPO Find X, and if you like the video, don't forget to subscribe our Pandaily channel. And as always, good luck, love you guys, thanks for watching.